Taylor Swift showed her team just how much she loves and appreciates them for all of their hard work they have been putting in while on tour. According to reports, the superstar gave them a big surprise which made their experience with the singer even more special. A source close to production told People that the singer gave bonus totaling over $55 million to everyone on her tour squad, from her backup dancer to sound technicians and catering, among others. In addition to that, it was also said that she even gifted 50 tracks on her tour of $100,000 each head of her concert stop in Santa Clara over the weekend. Promotion tracking company CEO Mike Skenbach told Today her father was the one that actually presented the checks to our drivers, and he presented handwritten letter from Taylor. It's incredible that they would take that time and what it means to our staff to be recognized.